our aim is to live in Patal Lok. We are born here, but to practice yoga meditation and then living in the Patal Lok, you must experience a heaven. Then you can bring the heaven on this earth. Therefore, scientists has proved atom is having no mass, weight and volume. Atom is condensed consciousness. Even there are scientists living in astral world, but walking on the physical world. This is our nature. We should experience causal universe, astral universe when we are living in this physical universe. Then we have successful life. Let us try to remove some misunderstanding. Generally, while living in India, when they write yoga, this is called written in Hindi alphabet or Sanskrit. Both are the same. We write like this yoga. We pronounce like that yoga. But when we pronounce fast, we say yoga. This is not the correct. Yoga, this is the correct. When you write in English, this is the clear writing. But this is not yoga. Yoga means, then you have to write like this. Yoga. This is yoga, yoga, but in Hindi pronounce wrong. This is one thing, it should be clear. What I am explaining generally, in India, we call it yoga. That is the wrong. In Hindi, pronunciation is wrong. In Sanskrit, generally we pronounce very correct. Hindi, sometimes we do mistake. Therefore, when we say yoga or you say yoga, it doesn't matter anything what you say. But you should understand yoga means omnipresence consciousness, an absence of distance. Saints and sages who left this physical universe, we are living in astral causal. They are born as a scientist. They proved, you see, omnipresence consciousness exists. As you do video conference, web talk, through the internet, it has been proved there is no space. There is no time to move from here to there. Now come to the next point. Swami Yukteswar Giri writes, if I am guided by plexus called coccygeal plexus, sacral, lumbar, thoracic, cervical, medullary, cerebral. This is the plexus that is the junction of the nerves. From there, power is distributed to all over the body. Because of those junctions, we have 5 kinds of perceptions: hearing, touch, vision, taste, smell. In the same way, many kinds of weight perception, many kinds of light perception. Light means this visible light. Many kinds of sound perception. There are varieties. We observe varieties because of the 5 plexuses present in the head and spine. And we believe there are 5. Then we are living in Patal Lok. Patal Lok technically called hell. When we believe sound is different, light is different, atom are different, then it is clear symptom that we are living in Patal Lok. But when you realize the same power is manifesting in the form of light, same thing is manifesting in the form of sound, same thing is manifesting in the form of atom molecules, then we are not in Patal Lok. Therefore, our aim is to live in Patal Lok. We are born here, but to practice yoga meditation and then living in the Patal Lok, you must experience a heaven. then you can bring the heaven on this earth. Therefore, scientists has proved atom is having no mass, weight and volume. Atom is condensed consciousness. Even there are scientists living in astral world, but working on the physical world. This is our nature. We should experience causal universe, astral universe when we are living in this physical universe. Then we have successful life. अच्छी तरह से याद रखिए कि स्वामी तीसरे गिरी इन्होंने स्पष्ट किया है कि अगर सिर और रीढ़ के अंदर, जिसे हम प्लेक्सस कहते हैं, इसके माध्यम से अगर हमारा जीवन चलता है, ये है कॉक्सिजियल प्लेक्सस, सैक्रल, लंबर, थोरैसिक, सर्वाइकल, दिस कॉक्सिजियल, सैक्रल, lumbar, thoracic, cervical, medullary and cerebral. There are these 7 plexuses. Because of these 5, we experience objects in 5 dimensions. Sound, 1 dimension. Sound is different. When we touch, cool and warm. When we lift, heaviness, lightness, it is different than sound. Then vision, everything appears different. Taste, variety of taste. Smell, variety of smell. When our life is based on this diversity, then we are living in Patal Lok. When we practice yoga meditation sincerely, when we realize what we see through the eyes, what is this? This is condensed sound. This is condensed light. Therefore, sound and light and atom and molecules, whatever we perceive, all are manifestation of one consciousness. Eko Aham Bahusham. When we have this kind of perception, one power has become all, then we are living on this earth in Patal Lok, but still we are experiencing heaven. What is our aim? To bring heaven on this earth. Live in Patal Lok, but try to live with the truth. That the same power has become atom molecules, same power has become light, same power has become sound waves, same power has become plant and animals. This is what important thing we should know it. Now come to the point. If you are in Patal Lok, then what we realize? If at the age of 15, 16, 20s, children are running, then we have imagination. A person of 80 years old is running like that. Oh, this is great. This is symptom of Patal Lok. When you become 80 years, you are different. You are not able to jump like a small child. It does not mean you are not having energy. If the vapor has become ice, you cannot say ice having less power than vapor. A total quantity of energy which in the form of ice is the same what is the form of vapor. Exactly the same. If you are in Patal Lok, then you will realize somebody 80 years old, he is running very fast. Oh, so great, so great, so great. Therefore, what I am warning all of you, do not try to measure your health by measuring the speed, how you walk, how you work, how you live. Each decades, suppose that you are 20, somebody 30, somebody 40, somebody 60. Every 12 years your body is different. What you are running, working today, after 12 years your body will change. Should not have expectation that I want to live like 20 years before. You may be living better now. Let us have example. This is the spore. This is the ovum. Ovum of an animal, let us say butterfly. Titili. Butterfly laid this ovum. Ovum is not moving. But from this ovum, then larva came out. caterpillar came out, pupae came out. These all are moving. From here, when the little worm come, like that worm, they crawl, they eat leaves, they eat flowers, but they are walking. You cannot say this is healthier, this is not healthier. This ovum is not healthy, this is healthy. You cannot say. There are two dimensions of manifestation. Now the same caterpillar become again butterfly. You cannot say this caterpillar is weak because not able to fly like butterfly. No. Butterfly state is different, caterpillar is different, larva is different, ovum is different. Each having its own beauty and dimension. But when you compare which is better, which is good, then we are in Patal Lok. When you have real understanding, all are the best. Each and every state is best. But after butterfly, life disappears. After some time you will find that feather is gone, now butterfly is gone. It's called dead technically. Therefore, in our case, in human being, we try to compare from one person to another. It means we are living in Patal Lok. Never compare. Let us compare how much concentration I give on my own with the true idea, thought and concept. I am not going to put my reasoning power, logic on you. You are good or bad. My aim is to serve you. You are good or bad. It is out of question. There is only one answer, God has become all. There is only one action, how to increase concentration on self, concentration on Bhumad, on breath, on head to toes, on various changes more and more, with the true idea, thought and concept that you are experiencing presence of God. This is only one work we have. If you are using this work to find out you are good, you are bad, then you are living in Patal Lok, you will experience suffering. One example of Talanga Swami, about 300 years old, around 300 pound weight. He was living nudely and body is like so much big and fat and this abdomen is like barrel. But he never suffered from arthritis, no blood pressure, no diabetes, all teeth were intact, no glasses. He demonstrated he can sit in lotus posture hours together on the surface of water and Ganges in Varanasi. He used to sit on the bottom of the water days together. He used to walk on the water going across. But he used to demonstrate this because maybe God wanted that he should demonstrate, people should know. But Lahiri Mahasaya, having the same height and more height, he never demonstrated these things because God did not want him. Therefore remember, suppose that you just practice something or living something after 10 days, 14 days, now your body is different, you feel so stressed. Oh, I am sick because I am not able to run. Oh, I am so sick, I am not able to eat. Before I was eating this much, now I am eating only little. I was eating little, now I am eating too much. What is this? I will be in bad shape. All the different interpretation we create to create hell in our life. Therefore remember, every 14 days body changes. Every 14 years complete change. When body is changing every 14 days, then its physiology will change. But do not compare your physiology with the past, your activity of present with the past, and do not imagine in the future. Your life will be heaven. Eat best food, what you are learning here. Serve everybody as manifestation of God. Use concentration of mind, intelligence on one thing. How to concentrate on head to toe is more and more. This is the important point. Now we are going to practice with the help of guided meditation. Put nice practice half an hour.